Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to embed a contact form in BitForm. BitForm offers the flexibility to embed a contact form in two different ways. Let's begin with the first method, starting with the form builder. First, go to the BitForm page. Here, you will find two plus icons. Click on either one to search for a block to add to your page. Here, search for BitForm. Then click on it to add your page. Using this drop-down menu, you can choose the form you would like to embed on your page. Then click on the Publish button to publish your form. Now let's move to our second method using a shortcode. So go to the form builder and click on the Publish button. Now copy this shortcode. Then return to the BitForm dashboard and click on the Pages option. Now you can select an existing page or click on the Add New Page option to create a new one. Here, write your page name. Then click on the plus icon and search for a shortcode. Now paste the shortcode directly into the shortcode block. Then click on the Publish button to publish your form. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.